Hi sweet pals, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making Isi Ewu. I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare Isi Ewu. So Isi Ewu is actually goat head. Yeah, so we call it Isi Ewu. Is a very delicious traditional delicacy we eat in Igbo land. So it's called Isi Ewu in Igbo. So we have two ways of making this Isi Ewu. One is the one you make without the brain. So which you can add there some other things that can spice it up. And the main one, Isi Ewu. So the main one is the one you prepare with the brain. So today I'll be showing you guys the two different ways how you can make your Isi Ewu with and without the brain. So making this recipe requires a goat head, which is the main meat we use for Isi Ewu recipe. Then for the ingredients, we are going to be using palm oil, crayfish, dried chili pepper, fresh chili pepper, seasoning cube, salt, onion, ginger, garlic, edible potash, and Calabash nutmeg, which we call ehuru in Igbo. So the first thing to do is to cook the goat head. Then as I'm cooking the goat head, I will get the ingredients ready. So for the Calabash nutmeg, you have to remove the back. So you can either burn it, like roast it, or you use your knife to remove it, just like I did in the video, and then grind it. So now the goat head is well cooked, and the next thing I'm going to do is to start cutting it. But I've made a video of how I cut this goat head, so you can check out the video and see how I cut the goat head. So for this Isi Ewu recipe, the brain is very important for this Isi Ewu recipe. So I'm going to go ahead to take out the brain of the goat head, which we are going to use later in this video. So after everything, here is the meat we got from the goat head, and I think it's pretty much. Now it's time to make the main dish. In a pot, I added some red oil. Just add the quantity you may be needing, and then the next thing is to add the edible potash, which I've melted already, which I've dissolved already in the water. Just add the water, the small quantity at a time. Then stir until the oil curdles together. So after that, the next thing I did is to blend the goat head brain. So I put it in a mortar, added some water, just a little water to it, and then blended it together. So after that, you have to pour it into the oil and potash mix, and then start mixing them together. And it will turn into a bright yellowish color like this. So that's when you will know that your Isi Ewu is getting ready. So you just have to keep stirring it until it's until you get to your satisfaction. Then the next thing we do is to add the Isi Ewu meat, to add the goat meat in. So here I just added the quantity I needed and reserve the rest for the other method I'm going to be showing you guys soon. Wow, so guys, our goat head is getting ready, so it's time to add the ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead to add the fresh chili pepper and then some salt to taste. Add some of the grind Calabash nutmeg, dry chili pepper, some crayfish, a seasoning cube, and some of the stock from the goat head I cooked, and then mix them together. And that's all, guys. This is how you make your goat head Isi Ewu. So I mixed it for a while, then I tasted it to check whether it has all the ingredients needed, and I noticed that it needed more pepper, so I added some pepper and also some of the stock from the goat head. And that's just it, guys. This is how you make your goat head Isi Ewu. So now our Isi Ewu is ready. This is the first method. So to do the second method, which is very simple, in a pot just add your goat meat and then add the water, the stock from the goat head you cooked, add salt, add onion, fresh chili pepper. That's what I used actually. You can add any other thing you want. I added ginger and garlic also, then cover it to cook for some time. Remember that the goat meat has been cooked before, so this is just to get the ingredients get into the meat. And then the next thing is to add palm oil, some potash solution, a seasoning cube, stir together for a while, then add some pepper, crayfish, Calabash nutmeg, added some water, and that is just it, guys. So stir it together for a while, the food will be ready. So this is how you make your goat head without the brain. And then let's dish it together and taste and see which one tastes better. Which one do you prefer? Is it the one with the goat brain or the one without the goat brain? As for me, I think, anyway, let me not spoil the gist. Let's wait till the end of the video to see which one tastes better. So guys, this is a very simple recipe we do. The only difficult part is just the cutting of the goat head, which you can ask your butcher man to help you do the hard job of cutting it. And here you enjoy your goat head. So Isi Ewu recipe is, you can make it as a cold food, or you can also cook it just like I did with the second method. So guys, this is how the whole process went down. And if you are still watching till this moment, please subscribe and like my video. And I'm bringing to you guys another new episode, which is awesome and fantastic. And God bless you. Peace out.